Not be by boasting. First phase of Light Up Edo project no go pass December 31st deadline where I promise Edo people. Obaseki na him talk this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say the first phase of Light Up Edo project wey go help boost the nightlife economy for Edo and security of lives and properties go dey completed before next year. Obaseki talk this one on Friday for the inspection project sites for Akpakpava, Mission Road and Exotic Street for Benin City. Obaseki can chook mouth for the first phase of this Light Up Edo.
I have given them a deadline that the first phase of Light Up Edo must be completed by December 31st this year. And you don't set deadlines for the phone of setting deadlines. You set deadlines so that they can be met. So I'm insisting and ensuring that our deadline for the first phase of Project Light Up Edo is met. So I'm calling everybody who's part of the project team out to make sure that that first phase is completed this year. In the process, we've realized that there are some quick wins, some areas that already have fittings, some areas that are already energized through Osimo, and we feel that we can take advantage of quick wins this holiday season. Like Mission Road, for instance, you can see it, all it requires is just energizing the transformer from Osimo and then lighting up just all of Mission Road to New Benin Market, which is just with the work of a few days. Detour down Seal Street and detour some of these other areas you're seeing. So we want to, in addition to the first phase of Project Light Up Edo, see how many more kilometers of street lights we can put, we can ignite or light up this year before the end of this year. That's where I made sure that since morning we'll be on the road with the contractors and going from location to location to ensure that they are working to meet the deadlines that we have set.
On top road construction for dry season, Obaseki talks here.
In the case of Edo and a few other roads, we have this accelerated road reconstruction program, and they mark certain roads, certain arteries, which we should try and ensure that we construct this dry season. We have very, very long rainy seasons. But we also are experimenting with another technology. That's why I went to to see how the contractor is doing, and I will go back to also check to see how the technology we've decided to use to fast track our road development is working.
The contractor and the permanent secretary for Ministry of Electricity can chook mouth for some of the problems for the street lights for inside Benin City and some new areas where the street lights will cover.
You can see we actually expedite action on the installation. We hope to hook it up today to test run the IPP line. Then the street light cable was ready, but they vandalized the portion we have done before. So we are recabling that place, and that will be completed by this evening. So by tomorrow, with the permission of His Excellency, we'll switch on that as is. The first set of bulb we actually use, the 320 LED, that we're giving life span of 5 years. That's the one you have in the inner outer ring road, upper market road. But the other ones you have in other places, the life span they gave us was just 1 year, which the Excellency has rejected, that it must also be 5 years. So we are planning during maintenance now to change all of them. They must have that lifespan of 5 years.
It's going to cover all the adjoining streets of Exotic to the end, Ahura, which we are now, to Akenzwa, Old Ogwanogwe, and of course Ekwenedi. They're all going to be captured. And Alaka, within the palace area, going to be captured by the transformer and be lit by the same source.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC na be your power. Until I'm giving any politician an election day.